Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert table in MS Word very easily. So you can very easily insert this table in MS Word. So firstly you need to click on this insert tab. You see this insert tab, so just click on it, and here you see this table. So just click on it and insert this table. You need to select this table like this 10 by 8. So firstly select this and click on it to create this table, and you can customize this table by here. You see this, you can very easily customize this table, and you can also insert this table, insert table and table size, and you can use this table size, table row, and click on OK. So this way you can insert this table in MS Word, and you can draw, also draw, you can table and draw table, and now draw the table. You see this. So this way you can very easily insert table in MS Word. So thanks for watching.